before she experiences severe flaking!
Cindy, can you not call me Nerdtron now that we're married?
Wow, you just screamed for 4 minutes, Jim.
I'm both impressed and disturbed.
My name is Giovanni Giorgio, but everybody calls me Giorgio.